Learn how to cook Offals stew. Learn how to cook Offals stew. Or the Byenda stew, the Ugandan Byenda stew with Chef Josh or CCC. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get the recipe update. So we are going to start by washing our offals. You can wash them like 4 to 5 times in clean water. Then after, you're going to boil them with salted water. Boil them like for 10 to 30 minutes because we need them half cooked. After, you set them aside, you start chopping them. You start slicing them, but don't pour the stock because we are going to use the what? The stock. I mean that water we used to boil the offals. Please don't pour it. So start chopping them as you are putting them back in the saucepan or in the stock where you cook them from. Then you're going to start slicing the onions. So slice the onions and apply them in the saucepan. Slice the onions and apply them or add them in the saucepan. After slicing, you're going to also slice the tomatoes. You're going to also slice the tomatoes. We are doing pure boil Offals stew. We are doing pure boil Offals stew. So for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. So we are going to add the tomatoes. After adding the tomatoes, we are going to slice the spring onions. So we're going to slice the spring onions. So we're going to also add the spring onions in our saucepan. Then after, we are going to also apply the garlic. If you also have the ginger, you can also apply it. Then after, we are going to mix a little bit. Then we are going to put back on fire. You can apply in some little water because we are going to boil until everything is soft. So at this point, you can boil for 20 to 30 minutes because we need our offals to be totally ready. So after our Byenda will be totally ready. So we are going to boil. After, we're going to apply carrots, chopped carrots or diamond carrots. Then you're going to apply chopped green pepper. Apply green pepper for taste and color, carrot for color. Then you're going to apply spring onions. After, we are going to apply fresh coriander. After, we are going to mix a little bit. We are trying just to build that different taste in our Offals stew or the Byenda stew. So we are going to get a small bowl. We apply Royco. After applying Royco, we are going to apply turmeric. After applying turmeric, we are going to apply some water because we want to dissolve the mixture. So after applying some water, we are going to also apply tomato paste. So the tomato paste is going to help us to thicken the stew. So you're going to dissolve everything. After dissolving everything, you're going to apply it in our Byenda stew or Offals stew. Then after, you're going to mix a little bit. I think you can see it is now good to go. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe. So we are going to boil for another minute. But before, test the salt. If it's not enough, apply some little salt. But make sure that don't apply much. You have to apply a little. Then we're going to boil again for 10 to 20 minutes. We're going to boil again for 10 to 20 minutes. So we are trying to make our Byenda stew the pure boil. So for the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can get daily recipe updates with Chef Josh or CCC. So see you next time. Don't forget to share.